So now what I'm going to show you here now is how this unit comes apart. So what you would do with this type of seat, you would stand over, you'd push the seat down forward, you're going to stand over the unit. You want to kind of bend over and you want to lift straight up in the air. So if you're pulling back, it's not going to come up, so you have to lift and straight up, and the seat will lift right off that seat post. From here, you have your battery pack with a handle with this nice strap. Lift up. When they are new, it's going to have a little bit of tension to get it up, but this will come right off on the unit. Set this off to the side. From here, your front basket, this just lifts right off. Set this off to the side. What I would do here is I would lower this tiller back down, push that forward, this gold handle, lower the tiller down, and then I would probably lock the front wheel. So you can lock these wheels so that it's not, your tiller's not doing this when you're either breaking it apart or transporting it. You do want your tiller to be in line pretty straight, and then you're going to push this knob and turn it clockwise. That's going to lock your wheel out. Do remember to unlock it, otherwise it'll take you a long, long time to turn into a circle. But it will help in this next step here. So the next step, you're actually going to lift on this handle right here, which is universal on the Revo and a couple other models. You're going to lift up on this handle, and then you're going to walk the front section away. So this is what you're going to be looking at pieces wise. That's 71 pounds. This is a little bit under 55 pounds. If I had to guess, the seat's probably 25, 30 pounds, and that battery pack's less than 20 pounds with a single battery in it. So these are going to be the pieces that you're going to need when you're going to break it apart. To put it back together on this unit, if you've ever seen a Revo before, this is a very similar look to a Revo. So on some of the older models, there's a few issues with pins getting bent if somebody didn't properly put the unit back together. They have started to come out now with quick disconnects back here, so instead of having to replace the whole motor, you can just replace the little harness with the pins. So that's a great thing that Prize listened to from the end user, and they have made that change. Now when you want to go ahead and put this thing back together, you are going to see you have two upside down U-shaped brackets here, and then it's going to go right onto this tube. So you don't want to force it. It should just snap right in place. So you do want to kind of bring it on straight. If you are at an angle, straighten the front section back out, because all you should have to do is lift from right here, put the two U-shaped brackets on, put it back together and give it a little slight push, and then you will snap back together. If you're nervous about it, you can pull it apart, see if it wants to come apart, but once it snaps in, you are ready to go. From here, push your gold handle, lift it up. I like to do the unlocking of the wheel at this step so I don't forget it. Push that knob in, turn it counterclockwise. Now your wheels will rotate again. Take your battery pack. Like I said, if you have one battery in, you will feel how the weight is only on one side. So it will feel a little bit off-centered, so you might want to grab it with two hands. Take your battery pack, drop it right on. I believe you can also grab right from here. That's a pretty sturdy handles on both sides if you want to grab from there. Take your seat, align it right back onto the seat post. That will drop down, lock in place, and then you're going to take your front basket and you're going to drop this back on the unit.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.